Namaste. Welcome to Hema Foundation. Carbon compounds are everywhere. That is, in the food we eat, the clothes we wear, and even in the pencil lead with which we write. Carbon is a major component of living beings. Carbon is one of the basic building blocks for organic life, along with nitrogen and oxygen. Carbon constitutes about 18% of the human body due to its unique ability to form 4 separate bonds with other elements. Carbon has huge significance. Through this chapter, you can learn about love, generosity, adaptability, and flexibility, or the openness to accept and learn. The flexible nature of carbon and its tendency to form strong bonds with other elements by sharing its electrons with others are typical examples of generosity and love towards others. Carbon compounds teach us the importance of networking and collaborating with others. Another interesting life lesson that we get from learning carbon compounds is the openness to receive, accept, and to give. In certain reactions involving carbon, an element may be readily added or one element may be substituted by another. This shows the flexibility, openness to adjust and adapt. Carbon has a valency of 4 and it can accept other elements through a strong bond. It can also accept the other electrons through a sharing structure. Formation of alkanes, alkenes, and alkynes and all other organic compounds have used this fundamental nature of carbon. Addition reactions, substitution reactions are all possible with carbon. You have learnt in this chapter. What does this show? Openness to learn, adapt, and the flexibility are the values that are very much needed in life. If there is no flexibility, then the bonds formed by carbon gets broken and becomes weak. Relationship between humans happen when there is always a preparedness to accept people as they are. It also teaches us how to make or break bonds when the situation demands. You should be able to walk out of toxic friendships and add good friends to your friends list whenever possible, just like carbon in these reactions. Now you will answer few questions given below and I'll come back to you.